Hello everybody. Today we're going to speak about EDC carrying, or what to carry every day as a tool or your pocket knife. And I have here a multi-tool. It's like one type of multi-tool that a friend gave to me recently, and it's not a high quality multi-tool, but it's all right. It's well enough for me. But I wanted to talk about is I have this one that a friend gave to me recently. I also have a Leatherman. This one comes with a pouch that you have to put on your belt to carry. And I also have a Leatherman. A Leatherman kick that my brother gave to me many years ago, and I like it. It's pretty and has the tools of a multi-tool. You can see here it has a Philip, can opener, blade, flat screwdrivers, pliers, etc. But I don't carry it every day, and I don't carry it at all, because I think it's too, for my activities, daily activities in the city, and so whatever I do in the city, in urban environment, it's like too heavy. Though I like it, it's too heavy and I don't carry it. I usually carry just a pocket knife. This one you have here, a dossier, Cavar dossier, that has a lock and a 3-inch blade. And this suits all the tasks that I encounter daily, most of them at least. And it also has a lock. Nice folding knife. I highly recommend Cavar dossier, and it's not expensive. But playing around with the one that they gave me, I found an alternative to carrying the tool as a whole. I can carry it as parts. So if I'm going to show you, bear with me a little. I'm going to take apart this tool and show you how you can carry it like half a tool. Okay. Okay, so here you are. You have to take this pin out, and it comes out, and you have a washer here, and you can take half of the tool away and just put this pin back together. Oh, it's over here. So you put it together and you tighten it with a plier or something, another tool here. Tighten it up a little. Okay, and now we're left with half a multi-tool, but this half it's much lighter, much smaller, and I see I can carry it in my pocket. And the array of tools that has is very interesting. You have a blade, serrated blade. You also have a Phillips screwdriver, which I usually don't get with my carry folder. And you have this saw for wood that is very handy sometimes. And last, you have an awl, a very sturdy, strong awl to punch a hole in whatever material, and a little flat screwdriver. So you have this very original array of tools, and it is small enough to carry in a pocket. So this could be, for me, a nice alternative for EDC. Let's open up. So that's what I want to show you today. Give me your opinions on the comments. And it's half a tool, half a multi-tool. Here you are. Here is size comparison. And well, that is all. Ciao.